proud of and be lucky to have a sensei like that. Now, how did I end up with Youth Max? Going from here, that I truly believe and always aimed in my own personal training, I came across through other paths and other adventures I've been doing in my life, and I had the opportunity to meet and to be in touch with Dr. John C. Maxwell, who is a world-known author of personal development. He's also one of the most respected trainer, a teacher, speaker for coaching and also for leadership development. He travels through the world, teaches, speaks, and coaches people such as the United Nations, the governments, different governments in the world, high-profile athletes like huge basketball players, coaches, and also different kind of politicians. So he's one of the most, if you go into the leadership research, you will come across his name. So what I have done at my age, 30 years some later, from Sensei Funakoshi, I discovered somebody else that became my mentor, my teacher, and I'm getting certified by his program of becoming a coach, a personal coach, and that goes corporate, that goes family, financial, you name it, also sport coach, and not to go into the youth programs and all sorts of different programs that he has designed. So I'm going to Florida, a 3-day workshop to receive the certificates in my hand from Dr. John Maxwell, and obviously I will continue to train and learn from him. So what happened here? That I just tried to don't want to keep you too long. But what does Dr. John Maxwell believes? He strongly believes, like we all do, that you young people are our future, right? It doesn't take much brainer to figure that one out. But he also strongly believes that we as adults are responsible to put all our values back into you. Okay? Positive values, not the bad things. All the good things, because we are responsible as adults to teach you, to guide you every step of the way, to show you the way to become a better person. And that's exactly what Sensei Funakoshi is teaching as well. Okay? So what happened here is end of March, as you can see here is John Maxwell. He developed this program which is called Youth Max. And this program just being launched. Okay, just the last, actually only beginning of the May. The first week of May being launched in over 40 countries worldwide, because that's how far he reaches with his team. And what's happening is here in Kelowna, we are the first, like my dojo and you guys are the first people exposed to this program. Now we are just kind of doing a very, and that's why we are focusing so much in karate as well. Okay? So, how do you do that? This is easily said, but how is it going to be done? Self-discipline is a pathway to develop a strong personal character. Because the base for all this is honesty, integrity, and keeping your word. To develop a strong character is the key to your success in life. Okay? Life is product of your choices. So what you choose, that's how your character will develop. If you make bad choices in life, you get sometimes people say you have a bad character, a lack of character. What do they mean with that? It's that you don't have a real value. There is no honesty, integrity in what you are or who you are. Okay? So for that, please, you have to be very careful with choices you make. Stay away from drugs. Stay away from smoking. Stay away from alcohol. Stay away from bad people.